quick reading for December the 11th to December the 12th, air signs. Yes, nasaktan tayo ni person ng mga past days, weeks, or months. Pero parang meron ditong pangako, no, na your person is approaching, magsasabi na, aayusin ko na, no? Let's set boundaries, titino na ako, hindi ko na uulitin itong mga bagay na ginawa ko before. For a few numbers of you, ito na yata yung pinaka matagal na distant, no? Pinakamatagal na away ninyo, pinakamatagal na silence. May katotohanan naman, no? Wag lang tayong mag-expect na perfect itong pangako niya. Merong mga sablay, no? Siyempre, tao yan, nagkakamali yan. Pero gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na somehow makakakita ka ng elevations, makakita ka ng improvements, no, sa kanya, maturity. So, but that depends on you. Kung bibigyan mo siya ng another chance, ito lang ay gabay, no? So, this is your quick reading for December the 11th to December the 12th, air signs.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yeah.